Okay, sir. So, to- so we have here the gear arm. तो आज हमें ये gear arm बनाना है. तो let's see how we can make it. So first of all, मैं इसमें okay, let me open the file. Start a new sketch. So first of all, we're going to create the center lines so that it becomes easier. Now हमारे पास अब यहाँ पे एक circle है. We have a circle of diameter 44 and we have a circle of diameter. It's given in terms of upper limit and lower limit, so we're going to take the upper limit only. Let's consider the upper limit. It's 28.57. So let's just make a circle. So now अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे ये जो construction line है, we have this construction line at an angle of 40 degree. So let's first construct this.
Instead of this, you can take a center line also.
Okay, so center line ले लूँ.
It's all right. It's all right. Not a issue.
Okay, okay. So
The dimensions are automatically locked, right?
yes, sir. तो अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे ये जो elongated hole है, ये हमें बनाना है. It would have been much easier in CATIA, but
You're
let's
right.
try. देखो, तो पहले कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन से हम एक इसका वो बना लेंगे, सेंटर लाइन, जहाँ पे हमें आर्क ड्रॉ करने हैं. So now let's create the circles. Make sure that these circles are taking equal constraint. तो हमें डायमेंशन दोबारा नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
Very good.
एंड ये 22 है. So now as you can see here, यहाँ पे हमारा जो center to center distance है, it's given as 60. So let's just dimension it, the center to center distance. तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है, ये कभी कभी डायमेंशंस लेता नहीं है.
दिया है ना 60 कर देना उसे 109.81 आ गया है ना.
नहीं सही, एक बार डिलीट करके कर देते हैं. Now let's try. Yeah.
राइट बराबर है.
So now हमारे पास अब हमें यहाँ पे ये जो elongated hole type का जो प्रोफाइल है, now we have to make this. So we can make this by drawing an arc. So हम arc बनाते हैं. तो make sure कि यहाँ पे tangent constraint automatically आ रहा है. So हमें दोबारा से tangent constraint देना नहीं पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे भी tangent constraint automatically आ रहा है, so that's fine. अब हमें बस इसमें delete segments करने हैं, कुछ segments हमें बस उड़ा देने. Just zooming in a bit. So now हमारे पास अब ये elongated hole का section आ चुका है. तो अब हमारे पास we have another profile, the outer periphery, just encircling this inner one. So rather than going through the whole thing again, we can come simply come into offset and give this
Very good.
offset command.
Superb.
We can select the loop so that it will take the entire profile
Right.
and make sure that this arrow is pointing outwards. Now give this 11 because the as you can see the offset distance is 11. ये इसका diameter 22 है, इसका radius 22 है, so the distance between them is 11. So there we go. अब हमारे पास ये वाला सेक्शन तो हो चुका है, राइट सेक्शन. अब हम करते हैं ऊपर वाला सेक्शन. So let's make another circle. Make sure it's not taking any constraints. Now let's see the dimensions. ये 40 diameter का है और यहाँ पे भी it's given in terms of upper limit and lower limit. So हम upper limit को ही consider करते हैं, diameter 40 and 19.05. So now हमारा जो अब ये distance है center to center distance, it's given as 19 there. And this distance is given as the vertical distance is 48, I guess. Let's check it once again. Yeah, the
Yeah.
distance is 48. So the upper section is also completed. So now we're left with the left section. So again, the left section is elongated hole of
Can you
radius
just
20
complete
of
that R16
diameter
wala
20
arc,
in a
Riburaj?
circle.
Sorry. Can you just complete this
Yes,
R16
sir.
wala R16 wala arc, which is at this location?
सर वो एंड में सर वो
Okay.
एंड में
Okay. Okay.
फिलेट
Okay.
से दे दूंगा सर.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Proceed.
ओके सर. So let's draw circles here. Make sure it's not taking any constraint again.
For that, you need to right click,
And make
guys.
this both of these circles equal. Yes, sir.
गेला
The center to center distance between these two circles is given as 25. So just type in 25. And then this entire distance between these two extreme centers is given as 148. So just type in 148. So there we go. So now what we can do is we can just come into this line command and select this line tangent and select this both these circles. Again, select both of these circles and done. Now we need to just remove these segments. There we go. It's done. Now again, we can give this offset command, select loop and give it 11. So now हमारा इंटायर प्रोफाइल जो है वो एक तरह से बन चुका है. बस हमारे जो ये फिलेट्स हैं, हमें ये फिलेट्स ऐड करने हैं. यहाँ पे एक फिलेट, यहाँ पे एक फिलेट, ये एक फिलेट और यहाँ पे एक tangent लाइन है जो कि इस प्रोफाइल से यहाँ तक आ रहा है. So first of all, let's make the tangent line. Select this profile, this circle. Okay, sorry, I missed one thing. We have another circle of radius 35 here. So let's give this 35. It's diametrical dimension, so let's just convert it in radial dimension. And now let's give this tangent line. There we go. Now, rather than giving arcs here, rather than creating arcs and then making them tangent, we can just simply fillet these. We'll go for circular trim. So yeah, there we go. And make sure that both these fillets are equal. So give them equal constraint. तो हमें डायमेंशन नहीं करना पड़ेगा दोबारा से. तो now it's 16, I guess. Let's check. Yeah, it's 16. And this fillet is of radius 44. There it is. Now we can simply just trim off these lines, these segments. Wait a minute. Zoom in a bit. यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा सा रह गया. Yeah, there we go. Now it's completed. Yeah, it's done. It's complete. Make sure that these dimensions are locked. So yeah, that's it. So